Hello, and welcome back to the Home Bookkeeper YouTube channel. I'm Emily, the Home Bookkeeper, and on this channel, I try to make managing your money feel calm, clear, and completely doable. If you've ever checked your bank account and thought, where did all of my money go? Then today's video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up a simple home bookkeeping system, step by step, even if you've never budgeted your own personal money before. By the end, you'll have a clear system to track your income and personal expenses, categories that actually make sense, and a simple monthly routine that you can stick to. No complicated accounting in today's video, no overwhelm, just a simple budgeting system that works. This system is designed for real life, whether you're managing a household, running a small side hustle, or just trying to stop overspending. So let's go ahead and get started. Step 1 is to choose your tool. First things first, you need a place to track everything. And there are 3 simple options. Option 1 is a spreadsheet. You can use Google Sheets or Excel, and these options are often flexible, free, and easy to customize. I have created a budgeting spreadsheet. You can find the link to it in the description box below. Option 2 is a budgeting app. These are really good for automation. They, however, do have less control, but they are a bit more convenient, so it's some give and take. And option 3 is just a good old-fashioned notebook. This works if you prefer pen and paper, but it is harder to analyze over time. For this video, I'll use a really simple spreadsheet because it gives you clarity without complexity. And it's going to be this spreadsheet that you can get through the link in my description box. Step 2, set up your core structure. Your bookkeeping system only needs 4 columns: a date, a description, category, and amount. That's it. It's pretty simple. Keep it easy. You're not doing corporate accounting here. You're just building a personal budget that gives you all of the awareness that you're going to need for your own personal finances. Now, step 3, create your categories. This is where most people really tend to overcomplicate things. You only need about 5 to 8 main categories to start. Now, my suggested categories are income, housing, which can include rent, mortgage, second mortgage, your utilities. I like to clump all of those together, and that can be your electricity, water, gas, internet, any utility you have for your home. Food, which includes groceries and takeout. Transport, which can be fuel, car payments, public transport fees, subscriptions like Spotify, Netflix, and any other paid apps you have, and your lifestyle. So you're going to want to include shopping and entertainment. And finally, if you have any savings goals or debts that you need to pay off. The goal here is clarity and not perfection. Now here's a real life example. Let's say your month looks like this. You have a salary of $2,000 or pounds, as I'm now in the UK. Your rent is $900. Your groceries are about $250 for the month. Your takeout budget is $120. And your subscriptions are $35, and your transport fees are $100. Now you can see your money instead of guessing. Step 4 is to track your income. Start with money that's coming in. So that is your salary, any freelance work you do, and any refunds that you're getting from previous purchases. Enter everything in as positive numbers. This gives you your total available money for the month. Now, if you're using the budgeting spreadsheet that I created for you guys, it's automatically formulated to make it positive numbers when you input it into the correct area. Step 5 is to now track your expenses. Now log every single expense. Yes, every single one. Real examples of expenses are rent, utility bills, Netflix, Spotify, Amazon purchases, and of course, those coffee orders. Small expenses matter and they add up really fast, so make sure you're logging every single expense to get an accurate financial look at your funds. Now here's a pro tip. Don't rely on memory. Make sure you're using bank statements, receipts, and finance apps if you have any. Accuracy really beats perfection here. Now, step 6 is to create a simple weekly routine. This is what makes the system actually work. Working it. Set aside 10 to 15 minutes every week. Your weekly routine should include opening your spreadsheet, checking your bank account or bank statements, adding in those transactions, and then categorizing them. And that's it. Think of this as more of a money check-in and not so much as a chore. Step 7, do a monthly review. I do this with my bookkeeping clients, but reviews every month are just as critical as they are for corporations as they are for personal budgeters. So at the end of every month, make sure you review everything. Ask yourself, where did most of my money go? What surprised me? What can I reduce next month? Now here's an example. Maybe you discover that you spent a little bit more than $120 on takeout, but your $35 in subscriptions, you end up barely using them. That's powerful information because what you can do is you can increase your takeout budget and cancel some of those subscriptions that are charging you automatically every month. Now, step 8 is to just keep it simple. Here's the truth. The best bookkeeping system is the one that you actually stick to. You don't need complex formulas, dozens of categories, or fancy software. Really, you just need consistency, visibility, and a simple routine that you can stick to. If you follow this budgeting system, within 30 days, you'll feel more in control, less stressed about your money, and way more intentional with your spending. If this helped you, subscribe to The Home Bookkeeper for more simple, practical ways to manage your money. And if you want the spreadsheet that you see in today's video, just go ahead and click that link in the description box below. If you like this video, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you never miss an upload. And if you need private QuickBooks online coaching or bookkeeping and payroll management, feel free to visit edjconsultinggroup.com. My firm is fully inclusive and ready to help you along wherever you may be in your entrepreneurship or personal wealth building journey.